Welcome to Qvinci software. Today's tutorial will encompass syncing a QuickBooks desktop file to the Qvinci dashboard. The user assigned to sync will need to visit Qvinci.com and log in to their Qvinci account. Upon login, on the left-hand side, the Manage tab should be highlighted orange, a call to action that an entity or a location is needing to be synced. If the user is a part of more than one company, they can simply toggle to the other company from the top left navigation bar. Open up the Manage tab and visit the Entities or Locations tab as well. A red dot next to a location or entity name indicates that a file needs to be synced. If the user has never installed the Qvinci Sync application, they can do so by clicking the Download Sync App button from the center of the screen. However, if the computer the QuickBooks desktop file is located on does have the Qvinci Sync app installed, simply launch the Qvinci Sync app from the desktop. It will always load from the system tray, which is located in the lower right-hand corner of the user's computer, down by the clock. Upon clicking on it, it will load onto the screen. The user is then able to log into the Link tab in order to link the QuickBooks file. Upon login, all entities or locations that the user has access to sync in the dashboard application will appear in the Qvinci Sync application. The user should then log into one of the QuickBooks files using the QuickBooks Administrator password in order to open the file. QuickBooks files do not have to be in single user mode in order for the sync to take place. They do sync faster, however, if they are in single user mode. Once the QuickBooks file has been opened with the admin credentials, click the Intuit QuickBooks button that is found inside the Qvinci Sync application. This will return the QuickBooks application certificate, notifying the user that the open QuickBooks file wants to connect to Qvinci software. Allow access, and there is no need to check the bottom box that discusses personal information. Qvinci does not sync fraud-sensitive information. If multiple user accounts exist for the QuickBooks file, an additional drop-down will appear below the Yes option. Simply choose Admin as the user who's allowing access. Click Continue, and click Done on the next screen that appears. Inside the Qvinci Sync application, the user will be able to choose which location or entity the open file needs to correspond with. Simply click which file, which location it needs to tie to, and click the Select Location button. The Qvinci Sync application will pause for a moment and then flip over and start syncing the open file. If you would like to track the status of the sync, click the Show Details link. There are 7 queries when syncing a QuickBooks desktop file. Once the 7th query has been reached and the sync has completed, the Qvinci Sync app will turn green and give you a successful message. Return to your Qvinci dashboard and view the reports. Typical upload after a sync takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute.